so it's like aimed right at your center console.
Yep. And I'll be all nice and fish-eyed.
Yep.
So will you. Actually, to be honest with you, you can probably see outside the window and outside your window too. So
Nice.
it'll probably give you a nice little view.
I've done Sugarloaf a bunch of times this summer
Okay.
and last winter. Pretty sure I did it with Jess and her boyfriend. I did it with Amy.
Yeah.
Did it with John twice.
Okay.
I don't remember doing anything with Scott lately though.